Hello guys! So today I am shooting a day in the life of an MBBS student. So it's 8:10 now. I am going late for my class. I have two classes from 8 to 10, one of ENT and one for ophthalmology. So I'm just going to attend my class.
This is how my friends irritates me in the class. See how beautiful I look completing my beauty sleep in the class. So this is my favorite part of the class.
I'm heading towards my postings. So from 10 to 1 we have our clinical postings that we get posted in different departments like eye, ENT, medicine, surgery, and we really meet the patients and take their history and see the signs and symptoms of various diseases. So now we have our 1 month of posting in ophthalmology department. So ma'am really teaches us and gives us the opportunity to see the patient and check their eyes to see any cataract, glaucoma and any patients. So I really feel, so this is really the posting, I really feel like a doctor, like seeing the patient, learning, and when you really see, like you get to know, you really have that feeling that yeah, you can be something and you can be really the doctor when you see the patient and get learn from the practical thing. So meet you guys after the posting, and I have some surprise for you in this meantime. Hope you guys like it.
Hello, my name is Mr. Bageshwar. Meet Mr. Con Pompong. Isn't it cute? रिया मेरे को थाईलैंड से लेके आई थी. वहाँ क्या रौनकें देखने को मिलती थी. यहाँ पे तो साला जिंदगी झंड हो गई है.
So now I am in my hostel. So from 12 to 2 I have taken some rest and study a little bit. Now I am going to mess for the lunch and then I will go to my 2 to 4 class. Now I am heading towards my 2 to 4 class. On Saturdays it is surgical demonstration. So in this students were given topics and we have to prepare a PowerPoint presentation on it, and students then present it in front of the class and then students will ask questions about it. So it is their way to develop our communication skills and to present ourselves. So let's go. So now it's 3:30 and I'm free from college. My all lectures are finished. So this is the college life of a medical student. Nothing much interesting, but yes, this is how it goes. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, Dear Seaside Fashion Vlogs, and do comment how you like the video and which type of video you want to see in the future, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Link is in the description box below. Bye guys.